In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize video in DaVinci Resolve. If you have a clip that looks a little shaky or handheld, DaVinci Resolve has a built-in stabilization tool that can help smooth it out quickly. This is especially useful if your footage has small camera movements that make the video feel unsteady. The good news is that the process is very simple, and you can usually improve the look of your shot in just a few clicks. To get started, click on the video clip you want to fix in your timeline. Make sure the correct clip is selected before moving on, because any adjustments you apply will affect the clip you currently have highlighted. This is an easy thing to overlook, so it's always worth double-checking before making changes. Once your clip is selected, go to the top right corner of the interface and open the Inspector tab. The Inspector is where you'll find a lot of the settings that control how your clip looks and behaves, including position, zoom, cropping, and of course, stabilization. If the inspector is not already visible, clicking it will open that panel for you. After that, scroll down through the inspector until you find the stabilization section. Depending on your workspace or screen size, you may need to scroll a little to reach it, so just take your time and look carefully. When you see stabilization, click on it to expand the controls. From there, simply click Stabilize. DaVinci Resolve will begin analyzing the clip and applying stabilization automatically. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the process to finish. The length of time will depend on how long your clip is and how powerful your computer is, but in most cases it only takes a short moment. Once the analysis is complete, your footage should look much smoother. Keep in mind that stabilization often works by slightly adjusting or cropping the frame in order to reduce visible shake, so a small change in the edges of the shot is completely normal. That's just part of how the tool creates a more stable result. And that's all there is to it. Select your clip, open the inspector, scroll to stabilization, click Stabilize and let DaVinci Resolve do the work. It's a fast and beginner-friendly way to clean up shaky footage and make your videos look more polished.